Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, we wish you all a happy profitable day ahead, and we wholeheartedly thank you all your support for growing with us. Now I will tell you what is the success behind our software. What is the success behind our tool? It is because we are not following different strategy, but we are following a single strategy every day. So that is why I always used to say one statement of Bruce Lee. He said once, I am not afraid of a person who knows 10,000 katas, but he has practiced once each. But I am afraid of a person who has practiced one katas 10,000 times. So if you know even one strategy, keep following the same strategy again and again, you will be a successful person in this world. Okay, now to get our indicator, what we are supposed to do? First thing, you have to open a free trading account, then take your username. So this will be your username. For us, the username is IIT9500009154 school. That is our username. So for each of you, there will be different username that you have to copy and keep it or just memorize it. Next thing, you have to subscribe to our indicator. Third one, go to the indicator settings. Straight away come to our invite only script and select the indicator which you have subscribed for. Just do one click on it, automatically it will come to your chart. Okay, this is the 3 steps you have to do. After that, what we are supposed to do? Enable the indicator. Go to the indicator settings, come here and give reset settings. Okay, reset settings, that's all. And whichever script you want to trade, that script you have to add. Where you have to add? From the watch list. You see here there are 3 lines buttons are here, menu button. Go here and click the plus button and type whichever you want. Whichever you want, you can type here. Okay, suppose no, I am typing lol path lab. It is added here. If you want this chart of this script, just click on it. It will come to the left side chart. Okay, very simple. Now we have to wait for the market to come either level. So if you want me to do bar play, that I can do. So if buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. Okay. And next one, once buy activated, what you are supposed to do? Go to the settings, disable the sell, enable the buy targets, also enable the second sell targets, because if we sell hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. And another thing, we don't want to give more to the market, we have to give less to the market. So I am reducing stop loss to tiny 2. So see here, now exactly buy activated. Now we have to wait for the target. First target hit. Second target we are supposed to wait. Second target also hit. That's all. Our trade got over here itself. You take the entry, book first target, exit from the market, and do your other work. Go and do your enjoy with your family. That's all. Very simple. Okay. What about the other script? I will go to the immediate next one. What is this? Natural gas. Go to the settings. Come here. Default settings. Reset settings. Since natural gas, we have to keep minimum small loss, small stop loss and small target. Wait for the market to reach either level. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. Come, I will do replay for this also. You see the result yourself. Amazing performance we will be expecting today also. So it has not reached either buy level or sell level, but we know where the market will reverse from. It has to reverse either from the top level or bottom zone. So exactly it has touched our buy zone. Since it has touched our buy zone, now we have to remove the sell zone. Go to the settings, remove the sell zone, enable the buy targets, 1 minute, cat has come inside. I will ask the cat to go outside. Please go outside, don't disturb. Yeah. Sorry for the interference. Okay, let me start again. Sorry for the interrupts. What I said, since buy activated, we have to disable the sell and we have to enable the buy targets. Also, we have to enable the second sell targets, because if a sell hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. Don't forget. Okay. Now our target is 237.9. Let us see whether we are able to achieve or not. Achieved perfectly. Wow, wonderful. First target hit. Second time you can take based on one price action pattern. That pattern is R3C pattern. So let us, if you want to keep 1:2 ratio, it's well and good. Come here to the indicator settings. Keep normal SL, normal target, normal. So you keep small SL and normal targets. So what happened? So we got normal targets, 3 targets hit. If you want to keep big targets, that also you can keep. Otherwise you can enable the target 4, target 5, target 6 and all. So in big targets, 3 targets perfectly hit. 3 targets perfectly hit. That's all, dear. It's very easy to trade using our indicator setup. So now I will show you one more setup, what it is. So earlier we had here bullish breakout and bearish breakout. Okay, now I have removed it. Earlier we had here OHL candles, that I have removed it. Earlier we had MST trend zone in this default indicator, that also I have removed it. Earlier we don't have this MST third buy zone, third sell zone. Now I have added here. Why? To know the monthly reversal pattern. Okay, and here also you can change the different methods. If you want to keep 12 months 12-month reversal point, that also you can keep 6 month, 3 month, 3 weeks, 3 day, 2 days, that also you can keep it. And all these things you know already, right? Now I have added extra 5 and 6 method I have added. So now since we had no spaces, I have done modification here. So if you are interested to trade in Nifty, I will show you in Nifty what is the performance. Go to this indicator and give reset settings and see in this indicator what I have got, what I have done. Same thing, time frame I have kept, Heikenhashi calculation I have kept as an optional. Then session breakout I have given the option, whichever time frame you want to keep, that you can add. Then once you given this, session high and low will be marked and session buy and sell level also will be marked. What is the session buy and low? So immediately after breaking the high, we should not go for the buy entry. See here, suppose yesterday if we had gone here, immediately once buy has broken, high has broken, we will be in a loss. Okay, so that is why I have given here this option, buy level and sell level. And another one option, this OHL candle we had in the previous indicator, now we have added to the new indicator. Trend zone also I have added here. And extra targets, 1 to 3 targets, 4 to 6 targets. Then you can take the ranges to big, small and session range. Okay, session range means you are marking high and low. What is the range between high and low? So that range will be taken for the calculation. If you want the targets for the bullish breakout or session based buy breakouts. Okay, so that also I have given the option. Then MGR level, CPR level, tomorrow CPR we have given. Super trend, EMA, moving average, VWAP, trend line, 0 lakh moving average, everything I have given here, whichever you want that you can follow. So as per this, yesterday it was a clear sell trend. It has opened below our bearish zone only. So hope this point is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We will be very happy to help you. In addition to the default settings, you can also use it with the higher time frame like monthly, 3 month, 6 month, 12 month also you can use it. So only if market is closing above this level it will go upper side, otherwise market will be the downside. So if you want to calculate the market for 6 month, you want to do a positional trading, that also possible. So market is trading in between buy zone and a sell zone. So in such cases you can increase the time frame here in the pattern. So if you want to know the mid levels, go here and enable MGR levels. All these things are you have to practice. Okay, if you practice you can do well. So this MGR level, it's like a CPR level but made by Indians, proudly for Indians, made in India, like Modi ji says, made in India or make in India. So hope this point is very clear. And the range also you can increase the range, small range you can keep or big range you can keep. All these things are possible, I mean to extend the targets. Okay, so I have simplified the task for you. I have simplified, maximum level of simplification I have done. So try to use it, try to practice it, try to find a new method out of this indicator. So hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We will be very happy to help you. If you are watching our video for the first time or without watching our YouTube channel, immediately subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share it. Please give your valuable suggestions and comments. We will be taking into consideration and we will be very happy to help you. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead. And once again I forgot to say, this indicator iCore 2.0 trend based indicator is completely free for all the lifetime subscribers. Please claim it for you. And one more thing, if you have taken only monthly or yearly or quarterly or 6 month plans, no problem. You just pay the remaining amount to upgrade to lifetime amount or lifetime validity, and we will adjust the amount whatever you have paid already. Okay, and the thing is, you must have done this subscription within 3 months. Before 3 months, if you have done, we cannot adjust the amount. If you have done within 3 months, then we will be happy to adjust the amount to the next levels. So this offer is valid only for this week. Next week if we claim that, we cannot assure you that. So hope this is clear. Please practice the single indicator. We have done many things, many options are available in this. Okay, don't think, sir, how many options you will give, what we will trade. If we feel that, simply what you have to do, go to the indicator settings, remove all the indicator, keep only one indicator, go to the settings and give reset settings and trade. Clear? Only one. Don't do any other settings. Just forget. Okay. Suppose we are going to hotel. He says, what do you want? That dosa, this sota, that biryani, this biryani and all. Don't ask for everything. Okay. You will have to go bathroom again and again. Ask whichever you want, whichever you prefer to eat. Like this, we have many options because there are many other people who knows to trade based on the different methods. If you don't know how to trade with a different method, please abstain from it. Just trade whatever you know. Just to follow with the default settings. That's all. Take one trade, book profit or loss, exit from the market. Overall, you will be in a good profit. Hope I have made everything very clear and it's very crystal clear. Please subscribe, like and share. Please give your valuable comments and suggestions. That is very, 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 very important. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you a happy profitable day ahead.